In this video, you will learn how to install Seaborn library in the Visual Studio Code Editor. And do hit the like button if you find this video useful. Now the prerequisite for this installation is that you need to have this Visual Studio Code and the Python installed into your system. And if you do not have the Python installed into your system, then I have already created a separate video for that, and you would find the link of that video in the description below. Now once you have the Visual Studio and the Python installed, we will open that Python project in Visual Studio Code for which we want to install Seaborn library. And for that we will click on this file here, then click on this open, and now we will navigate to the location where our project is present. So for me it is present inside this downloads folder, so I will go to the downloads folder, then projects, and here I will select this Seaborn project and finally click on this open. Now before installing Seaborn, we will create a virtual environment for this opened project, because it is recommended to have a separate virtual environment for each of the Python project. So we will also create the virtual environment first, and after that only we will install the Seaborn library inside the created virtual environment. But in case you already have the virtual environment for your project, then you can skip the creation part and directly activate that. And after that you can install the Seaborn library inside that activated environment. So now to create the virtual environment, first we will open the terminal, and for that we will click on this terminal. Then here we will select this new terminal, and now in this terminal we will type python 3 space -m space venv space, and now we will give the name of the environment which we want to create. So let's say it is myenv. So this command is for Mac system, but in case you are using Windows, then you would see the command on screen. So now we will hit enter to execute this particular command. And once this command is executed successfully, we will see this myenv folder which is created inside our project folder. And this myenv folder will have all the necessary libraries and scripts in it. Now we will activate this created environment, and for that we will write in terminal source space myenv /bin/activate. Now again this command is for macOS, but in case you are using Windows, then you would see the command on screen. Now we will hit enter, and as soon as this command is executed, we will see this myenv within these brackets. So this is the indication that this particular environment is currently active. Now finally we will install the Seaborn library in this activated virtual environment, and for that we will type pip3 space install space Seaborn. And once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation. Now to verify the installation, let's print all the libraries that are currently installed in the current activated environment. So let me first clear the terminal so that it would be better visible to you. Now we will run this command, which is pip space list. So this will list down all the packages which are installed in the current activated environment. And here we will see this Seaborn library also, which has this particular version. And in this list you would see some other libraries also which got installed along with the Seaborn, because these are the dependent libraries that are required for the proper functioning of Seaborn. Now we will write a small Python script which will verify whether this Seaborn library is installed properly or not. So first we will create a Python file, and for that we will click on this new file icon, and now we will give the name of the file. So let's say this is main.py. So this main.py file is created inside this Seaborn project. And now in this file, first of all we will import this Seaborn module. So we will write import Seaborn, and now we will also print the version of Seaborn. So for that we will write print then Seaborn dot __ version __. Let's now save this file using command and S. And now to run this program, we will again come to the terminal and type python space main.py. So in the output we got the version of Seaborn which is same as this one. So the Seaborn library is installed properly and we can use this for our Python projects. So now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you and make sure to hit the like button.